The DSTV Now app brings over 600 channels to your smartphone in full HD quality. In addition, it doesn't go off under heavy rain unlike the dish decoder. But like every other good thing, it has its challenges, like sudden interruption with several error codes that you can't find the answer to even on Google. Today I will share with you all the error codes in the DSTV Now app, what they mean, how to quickly resolve them. I'll also show you loads of features that will make you use this app daily just like I do. So if you're ready, let's just go in. Okay, welcome back. The DSTV Now app is feature-rich. It alerts you about new and returning international shows, suggests channels and movies based on your viewing preferences, shows you what's trending and more. You can watch up to 600 channels based on your current subscription package. The profile feature allows for multi-users. Each user's preferences are saved to their profile. Then there is the newly redesigned notification that gives you information on what you need to watch. 8-disc customizable TV guide with alert function is also there. Then there is the device management, parental guide, and a new addition to the video quality that now allows 216 pixel as the lowest video quality. A quick look on how to sign up or register for DSTV Now. I have already done a video on how to sign up or register for DSTV Now. You can click on the cards right now or check in the description. You can even sign up for DSTV Now with your friend's smart card. But make sure you do that with your consent. It's so easy in 3-4 steps. So let's move on to the real issue of the day. Errors and how to fix them. For no internet connection, just check your internet connection and try again. That's one of the simplest ones. If you get the video playback unavailable due to device not certified by Google, I've got you covered. Click on the link in the cards right now to see how to fix that permanently. Now you're watching your favorite DSTV program and whoops, an error code pops up. Let's start with the error code PER1. The EXO player exception error 1 happens because DSTV Now uses digital rights management for its live video playback. A lot of system security checks, including user location and country, your phone's Google Widevine certification, available storage, device ID, and more are all checked using high bandwidth digital content protection management system. Wow, that's a lot. Anyway, coming to this error itself, unstable or the slightest network interruption can cause this error. To fix it, just tap on refresh, or if that doesn't work, just restart the stream or exit the app and open it again. The EXO player exception 0 happens when the internet connection data changes. This affects the video stream encryption keys and invalidates the stream or the encoding. To fix this error, you have to entirely restart the stream or restart the app if the error persists. There is also the SNA PER0 error, which I will explain alongside the 403 errors. I will start the 403 errors with the section No Authorization SNA. SNA errors informs the user that the application cannot get response from the server because the region, country, or IP address of the request is not authorized to view such content. I had to replicate this error using a VPN. All 403 errors are usually server related and it could be very hard to fix by the client end user. The 403 errors can happen when the server is very busy or a spike in the number of users. EV403 error means the server didn't recognize the user for whatever reason, and then there is also the GEF403 error, which is similar to the EVE403. So when you have this continuous server issues, there might be a way to fix it. The last resort might be to use live chats function. Click on more, scroll down, click on setting, and then scroll down to live chat. It might take up to 5, 10, 15 minutes before a live support person can, reply you. And then they will request your name and email. And sometimes the answer they might give you might not solve your problem if it is not server-based or some issue. So let me hear from you in the comment section. Do you have any error that I didn't mention? And until I see you next time, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.